I have two cups. They are pink cups. They have four cats. Cats are very lazy. He breaks his chair. The criminal breaks the laws. It stops me. He stops many times. This book has 20 pages. I tear this pages. Pages are coming. Imprinted. Imprinted. They are just tiny pages. Every lunch has vegetables. We ate with each other. 3 lunches. He raised his hand. She raised money for funds. He flattened his teeth. My dad flattened his shoe. Trees in the road are cutting down. We planted trees. Our vacation lasts 4 days. We have 2 days to complete our homework. The shoe is very beautiful. My shoe is fat. Flies make me angry. There are many flies in here. Trains are very fast. I like traveling by train. My mother sings songs. These songs are very meaningful.